In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw money on Exnova. First, open the Exnova app on your phone and wait for it to load to the main homepage. Once you're on the home screen, tap the three lines in the upper left corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Deposit. This will take you to a new page where you can choose your preferred payment method. You can scroll through the available options, which include cryptocurrencies, Visa cards, and bank methods. For example, if you want to deposit using USDT TRC20, tap on it and select the currency you want to deposit with, such as USD. Then, click Continue and enter the amount you want to deposit. The minimum deposit is $10, so if you want to deposit $50, simply enter 50. If you have a promo code, enter it in the provided box, then tap Deposit. The app will display a USDT payment address. Copy this address and send the exact amount shown from your crypto wallet. Once the payment is completed, the funds will appear in your Exnova account and you can start trading. To withdraw money, return to the home page and tap the three lines again, but this time select Withdraw. You'll see your available balance displayed at the top, along with different withdrawal methods. Choose your preferred method, and if your balance is sufficient, you'll be taken to the next page. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and paste your wallet address, such as your Bitcoin address. After submitting the details, your withdrawal request will be processed. That's all. Thanks for watching.